For over 3 decades, we have set the standard for product quality, reliability, and ease of use. At ACS, we protect our customers' mission-critical infrastructure operating in harsh environments through highly engineered and customized solutions for attractive applications. These include telecommunications, where we cool and protect high-value cellular equipment; industrial applications, where we maintain the integrity of a diverse range of heat-sensitive electromechanical equipment; energy storage and data centers, where we protect battery cells, critical computer hardware, and electrical equipment; schools, where we cool students and teachers in our classrooms. And then we have portable products, which are sold to rental customers who rent equipment to temporary sites, which include industrial plants, specialty events, and disaster relief areas. The critical nature of our offering, advanced engineering, reputation for quality, and commitment to service leads to strong customer loyalty and a high level of recurring revenue, with as much as 2/3 of our sales coming from replacement demand. ACS is a leading platform in an otherwise fragmented $3 billion specialty or custom HVAC market, and we hold a number 1 or number 2 market position in all of our primary product categories. Unlike the broader HVAC market, our customers require and are willing to pay a premium for units to operate in harsh environments, with no tolerance for failure. Through our multiple brands, we are able to provide a comprehensive array of specialty products that vary in complexity to meet our customer needs. Marvair is a provider of fully configured-to-order and specialty purpose wall mount units. CAPS is a provider of full custom wall mount units, custom air handling units, and various portable heating and cooling equipment for our rental customers. These are specially designed to operate in highly rugged and harsh environments and are supplemented by best-in-class service capabilities. Specific Systems and ICE fill in the middle and focus on industrial duty, fully configured to order, specialty purpose wall mount units. To round out our family, Ubank provides semi-configurable units for more standardized applications, and Dynaline provides self-contained heating and cooling units for multi-tenant applications. ACS is seeing significant growth within several of our existing markets, as well as strong secular tailwinds in new and rapidly growing markets that require specialty solutions. 2 rapidly growing and attractive segments in particular are data center and energy storage. There is a tremendous opportunity in specialty server room cooling, and with the expansion of wind and solar energy, we have seen growing demand for our equipment to cool battery storage and energy conversion houses. We have the best team with the best reputation in the business, built on our dedication to operational excellence and high-touch service. At ACS, this is just the beginning. We continue to innovate, grow, and our markets continue to expand.